Want to save more battery while watching videos on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? One simple setting can help by keeping your video brightness at a normal level. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Tap Video Brightness. Here you will see two options, normal and bright. Tap normal to select it. When this option is selected, your phone will play videos using its regular screen brightness and color setting, which helps you save battery and avoid unnecessary brightness boost. In other words, now your Galaxy S25 Ultra will keep video brightness normal to preserve battery life, and you can enjoy a more natural viewing experience. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.